Today, our topic is the product of volcanic eruptions, class 7 geography. The products of volcanic eruptions are usually divided into three groups: liquid products, solid, and gases. First, we will discuss the liquid products. Liquid products of volcanic eruptions are represented by lava. According to their chemical composition, lava can be either acidic, medium basic, or ultra basic. The chemical composition of lavas determine their most important physical properties, viscosity and mobility, which in their turn condition the character of volcanic eruptions. Gaseous products are released from the vent funnel, subordinate vents, and numerous fissures in different stages of volcanic activities. Around 60 to 90% of them consist of water vapor, and during the condensation of which the atmosphere becomes very often characterized by heavy rains accompanying the eruptions of volcanoes. The composition of gas emissions changes in accordance with temperatures. At temperatures higher than 180 degrees centigrade, there have the emission of so-called fumarole gases, which contain chlorine, sulfur, and carbon dioxide, with the predominance of chlorine compounds. The active functioning of volcanoes is manifested in different ways, mainly depending on the chemical composition of the outflowing lavas and the content of volatile components in them. According to the character of explosions, volcanoes are divided into various types: Hawaiian, Vesuvius, Etna Vesuvius, volcanic pipes, and fissure type of volcanoes.